This is the WavyTalk Blown Away Ionic hairdryer with a powerful 1875 watt motor for fast hair drying, 3 temperature settings including a cool button, and 3 snap on and off attachments including a comb nozzle, concentrator, and curly hair diffuser. It comes in a bunch of gorgeous colors. This is the rose gold. I was sent this to review, so let me show you a closer look because we are loving it. So here we go. We've got some attachments right off the bat. Ooh, plastic with 2 little combs. Ooh, a diffuser. That is really useful, I think, for curly hair. Is that what it's for? This is also plastic. We've got a nozzle here. Ooh. This is cute. Oh my gosh. Look at that pretty, pretty pink. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Look at the back. This is gorgeous. All right, so we've got a cool button. Velcro cord management. I love when it comes with cord management. Here is your plug. Ah! Ooh! It's got a dual switch with different controls. So on this side is your power levels. 1, 2. Okay, and then on the other side is your temperature. And then you've got your cool button. So, let's go full on. Woo! Woo! Yes, oh my gosh, yes. And then we've got our 3 attachments here. To attach, you just snap it in place, then it can rotate freely. It's a built-in brush. Oh, that is so fun. And to detach, you kind of pull it off firmly. It's not magnetic, so it's not just gonna like plop on and off, but you just snap it on and off, super easy. Then you have this one, the diffuser. It's all plastic, gonna be easy to keep clean. The concentrator. Boom. Again, you can turn the angle whatever you need. This is probably my favorite one. Just really easy to like dry and straighten your hair kind of thing. The user's manual. WavyTalk Blown Away. Ionic hair dryer. Removable filter. Cool blast. Hair carrying Ionic technology. Really cool. Just gorgeous. Great hair dryer. Love the attachments and super, super pretty. I love it, and I know you will too.